Remember, the only piece that is missing of the puzzle is the paymaster who ordered the 6 men to assassinate Babita regarding the shenanigans that were happening in Tembisa Hospital.
Umbiko we-SIU udalule ukuthi kunezisebenzi ezingaphezulu kwekhulu ebezilekelela inkohlakalo esibhedlela saseTembisa.
And the amount that was paid to certain officials ranging from 28 million to 30 million, these are government officials who are supposed to be giving service to the public, and they are involved in the cartels.
Inhlangano iDefend Democracy ithi ke ikhathazekile ngokudelela nokungabi nandaba nabantu okuboniswa ngabanindeka kule nkohlakalo.
We are hoping to see that the referrals made will actually seek the light of day. We are hoping that the NPA will be able to prosecute. We hope to see disciplinary action taken by those that have been referred to the Gauteng Department of Health. But beyond anything else, there is something infuriating about the willingness to plunder state resources meant for those who really need the assistance of Tembisa Hospital.
Okudalulwe ngumbiko ophiko le-SIU kwavezwa ngowabe eyisikhulu sezemali eminyangweni wezempilo eGauteng uBabita Deokaran okuyinkohlakalo ka-850 weyigidi zamarandi esibhedlela saseTembisa. Lokho kwalandelwa ngokusocongwa kwakhe mhla zingama-23 kuNcwaba ka-2021. Ukusocongwa kwakhe namanje kusaletha ukukhathazeka ngokuvikeleka kwabantu abaceba inkohlakalo okwenza nabanye babe manqika ukuphumela obala ngoba besabela impilo yabo. Lokhu kuphazamisa kakhulu ke impi nenkohlakalo.
They've been saying that, don't worry, we are overhauling the legislation for protecting the whistleblowers. It doesn't, international best practice has given templates for what a government needs to do to protect whistleblowers as the most effective way of dealing with corruption. There's no reason we have to be beating around the bush and kicking the can down the road in terms of that thing. Once that's in place, the investigation will be so much easier because there will be people willing to come forward with information.
Noluphiko luthi ke luyaqhubeka nophenyo lwalo kungenzeka sande isibalo sabantu abanindeka ekukhwabaniseni kwemali esibhedlela saseTembisa, iSIU ekubiza ngeTembisa Heist.